With reference to Article 356, which of the following statements are correct? Statement 1. Governor has no power to recommend the dismissal of the state government. This statement was wrong. Why? Because governor has certain powers to recommend the dismissal of the state government and dissolution of the assembly. Second statement. President's proclamation has to be ratified by parliament. This statement was correct. Why? Because parliament has to be approved for every 6 months the president rule. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct? Statement 1. India is a net exporter of steel for the last 5 years. No, the statement is wrong. Why? Because in 2018 and 19, India was the net importer of the steel. Second statement. India is the second largest producer of steel after China. Yes, this statement was correct. Which of the following statements are correct with regarding to fundamental rights under Part 3 of the Indian Constitution? Statement 1. All fundamental rights are provided to Indian citizens only. No, this statement was wrong. Why? Because some fundamental rights available to both Indian citizen as well as foreigners except aliens, like Article 14 right to equality of law and Article 21A right to elementary education and Article 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. These all are available to both Indian citizen as well as foreigners. Second statement. Some fundamental rights are provided protect against the private persons. Yes, this statement was true. Statement 3. Constitution does not allow to the Parliament to make any changes to the fundamental rights. No, the statement was wrong. Why? Because Parliament can change the fundamental rights. Which of the following statements are correct with regarding to Prime Minister of India? Statement 1. The death or resignation of the Prime Minister led to automatic dissolution of the Council of Ministers. Yes, the statement is correct. Second statement. He has to either be a member of parliament at the time of his appointment or became within 6 months from his appointment. This statement also correct. Which of the following statements are correct about tigers in India? Statement 1. Cobbett Tiger Reserve has the least number of tigers in India. No, this statement is wrong. Why? Because it has the highest number of tigers in India. Second statement. All tiger reserves in India have tiger population. No, this statement is wrong. Why? Because in Mizoram and West Bengal, Jharkhand, some tiger reserves does not have tiger populations. Statement 3. Only Maharashtra have the largest number of tiger reserves. No, this statement is wrong. Why? Because both Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh have the largest number of tiger reserves. Which of the following are members of Quad group? United Kingdom not part of the Quad group. So answer 1, 3, 4.